Hey everyone, it's Eva with Budget Your Life, and today is Monday Full of Minis, and it's Christmas in July edition, so that's why I have my little red bow, and I am so excited for Monday Full of Minis. And if you can't tell, this is a voiceover. Yeah, apparently when your mic is blinking green, it doesn't work. So I thought I had time. I thought it was just telling me it was low. No. Showing off my candy cane cup with my little colored pencils. My dinosaurs are facing the correct way this time. I've got some extra minis. Put that in the back. And yeah, so touching things. Oh, my voiceovers. You're welcome. Okay, so I am going to do my best. I literally just filmed this like a couple hours ago, but I don't remember what I'm saying. So I'll do my best to do this justice. So my very first one is Our Beautiful Budgets. I believe this is a freebie on her channel. I love candy canes. I love decorating with it, so that's why I'm pointing that out. And I just gonna keep touching it. And I'm gonna make every candy cane $1, so it'll be $20 when we're done. Next up is Becca Budget 777. This is a collab with Budget with Tiffany and their Road to 500. They have both reached that, but let's push them on further because they're fantastic channels. So each little tooth for All I Want for Christmas Is My Two Front Teeth is $1, and I'm excited about that. So Saving with Sam, my Oculus Reparo, which is not Christmas related, even though I do consider Harry Potter a semi-Christmas movie. Saving with Sam, I would love for you to go visit her channel and give her some love. She's taking a little break, I believe. She has she's a very new teacher, or brand new teacher, and she's setting up her classroom, and I think she said something about maybe her family and needing some time and space and sending prayers, so I will definitely do that. Next up is Becca Budgets again. This was a freebie in one of my orders, and we only have $6 left. And this is Bookish Mama Budgets. I made each little surfboard $1, and little Yogi Santa on a surfboard cracks me up. And last but not least, we have Norella's Budgets, Merry Christmas in July. This was a cute little freebie she had. Santa's little flip-flops in the sand. I think that's what I'm saying. So super cute. And I think I have $40. I believe I have $40, and I already made change, like I got ones out, so I think I'm good there. I think I have 3 5s though. Oh, I'm showing off Tina's new couch. It's sparkly like she is. It is dollhouse furniture. I know what you're thinking. It's probably what I'm thinking, and it's just ridiculous, but here we are. Okay, so not sure what I'm pointing at, but oh, Jake just stepped on a squeaky toy. Oops, did it again. Okay, so still talking. Tina's in my hand, and money now is in my hand. Okay, yep, 3 5s. And okay, so let's get started, maybe? Nope, we're still talking about stuff. Oh, here we go. And each one gets $2. So number 4 is getting 2. And 5 is getting 2. It's like my first time doing this. I'm all confused. Not the voiceover, but me actually playing Mini Monday. Okay, 4 again. And 6. Bottom row is kicking butt. And yeah, 6 again. Look at that bottom row. 4. Switching Tina's because this is ridiculous. I'm going to roll again because that was a little crooked. So 4. Regardless, it would have been a bottom row. Ooh, look at that, a 2. Or a tooth. And 6. And 2 again. Two's looking good. Ooh, look at that one. Candy canes. Our Beautiful Budgets. Okay, so I was left with $1, so I'm going to try to mix out. Mix out? No. switch out some of my 5s. So I should have counted, but I didn't. I think it's 8. So I'm going to put a 5 down and count out 3. And then check around. Looks like number 6, I might be able to do something over there. Oh, we're going to 5. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put 5 down and that, and then we have $10 or $11. But really, we have $10. Okay, and we're off. And we're off. There it is. 5, 1. Okay, 3. Anytime now. 6. Look at that spinner. 2, 6, 1. Oh, just kidding. I'm not doing anything with that. I was trying to wipe it away. No, I don't have enough. So we're going to go and see what we can, if we can switch out our last 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can. So now we have our final $6. So let's, and I really want that one to get, it's only $1. So I was like, I just need $1. And 6. And then 6. And then 5. All right. No saving with Sam, Oculus Reparo, which is fine. I think I say I was happy to keep it in my rotation so I can think of Sam and wish her well every time I do Mini Mondays. So I'm just cleaning up, and I might stop talking so I can fast forward. Don't worry, I see the 10. I see it. Now I see it. And we're going to go backwards. And undo everything. And there it is. Yep. All right, all's good. Everything goes back into the pile. And then I'll just get my little Monday Full of Minis box. Oh, I think in the beginning, oh, we're getting closer. I do have a couple of those boxes with the little Monday Full of Minis on my website if you are interested in that. And I believe I still have the Tuesday Full of Tinies. I think I have 2 binders left. I might have 3, but I feel like it's 2. So I'm just putting that one back in, ready for next week. And then the next one is Becca Budgets, that we needed 6, and it looks like we definitely got that, and a lot more. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. Nice. So we'll take out the 6 we need and put the other, whatever that would be, 8 to the side. And I'm looking for a pen. There it is. I'm using a colored pencil this time. So we're going to write down, oh no, we're not. We're just coloring that in. Sorting the money. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. Yay. Oh, now I'm going to write the amount down. 32. I don't know what we're doing, but oh, there it is. Cha-ching. I'm doing it obnoxiously loud because I feel like that is so obnoxiously loud, but everyone says it isn't. But so, cha-ching. So we're bringing in Bookish Mama Budgets, Santa doing yoga. Gotta love it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's $8. I know that. I start to mark it off, and guess what? I second guess it. So we count it again, because that's what we do on budgeting channels. We just continuously count money over and over again. 5 and 6, and I'm like, wait, what is it? And then I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Da, da, da. There it is. All right. So Santa's all up to date, and put him in the little box. And let's see what the next one is. Good. I'm glad I grabbed all the money because I hate when I do stuff like that. All right. So we're Santa doing yoga on a surfboard, or he's just doing arabesque. Any of my dancers out there? Just doing an arabesque on the surfboard. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Probably Bookish Mama budgets. Oh, I think they might be part of a 6-pack or a 6 thing. I ordered it on her Etsy, but I was second guessing myself, so I think that's why I was touching all of them. I'm not counting, but it looks like I got, I don't know, 8. So we're going to use 4 for the surfboards and 4 in our next one. So I'm going to color in with the colored pencils for these, and I'm just alternating red and green. Okay, so $10. And we can get a paper clip and do the button. Cha-ching! Yay! And writing down $10. Oh, clever. Just use what you got. Good advice in life. All right, so we have $4. So I'm going to bring this in. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. The cute little penguins from Beezy's Things. And I bought I think I bought one of her binders, and I got that as a freebie in my order. So I'm just getting a Sharpie, and I'm going to put $1 in each of those for the top row. So 1 is done. So we have, I'm having trouble adding that, but it's 16. You can do it. There you go. You did it. Okay, so next one, I don't know, very gentle with putting that in the box. Okay, so the next one is Norella's Budgets. Nori over there, she's just watching one of her videos before I'm doing the voiceover, and she is just so nice and supportive. I just love this community. I'm not counting, but it looks like 8, maybe 9, I don't know. So we needed 6. Oh, I guess it was 8. So we needed 6, so we got it, yay. So now Merry Christmas in July is adding that again, so that's 15. Yeah, for some reason when you're on camera, it's like you hit record and you can't do simple math. It's funny. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yay! And get a paper clip. And cha-ching! Yay! So I have $2 for the next challenge, and this is the last one I had ready, so it's one of mine. I have, I think, 4 like Christmassy type winter scenes, snow globes with Santa, Christmas tree, a deer, and the 4th one is like a winter scene with the house. That's what the hand gesture is. Winter scene, I guess, is I did it again. So I'm going to make each one $1. So we're on our way. The cute little Santa trapped in a snow globe. He doesn't seem too bothered by it. All right, so next up we have All I Want for Christmas is My 2 Front Teeth, Becca Budgets, and Budget with Tiffany collab. And they both reached 500, which is amazing. So I'm just going to state that they're still going to do a collab. I don't know if they are. And let's get them to 750. You know what? Let's get them straight to 1,000. Like, why not? Why not? Why the heck not? They're fun. Okay, so I have $4 left that I need for next week. Maybe we can get it then and just putting it back in the box. And then last but not least, I have the super cute candy cane. I believe this was a freebie on her site. This is Our Beautiful Budgets on Etsy and YouTube. And I don't know where she's at with subscribers. She's relatively new, but she's really awesome, has super cute challenges in her Etsy shop. You've probably seen me open mail. Oh, I'm gonna cringe at this. I just completely demolished the really cuteness of this challenge and just blah blah swipe right through it, but oh well. Yeah, don't look at the top part, but look at how cute the challenge is. So I am very happy that you are here with me to do Monday Full of Minis, and I had a really good time. Look at that. I finished 3 challenges. So 32, 42, 57, $57. And that's awesome. I'm very excited about that. Will go into my completed challenge book. Not book. It's not a book. It's a little zippered pouch, which I think I'm going to put them in. I don't know what I'm saying, but no idea. I bet I'm reaching for the bag now. Here it comes. There it is. So I say June, which cracks me up, and then I get frustrated with myself because I'm like, it's July. Obviously, I have Santa Christmas stuff everywhere. It's July. So, yep, so that's what I've done so far in the first 2 weeks of June. Oh my god, I did it again. In the first 2 weeks of July. And I think that's what the little 2, I don't know. There's a lot of hand gestures. I don't know what I'm doing. But thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you, and I will see you in tomorrow's Tuesday Full of Tinies. Take care. Bye.